Hey everyone, if you're watching this video, that means you want to know what exactly is CDL third-party testing all about. When it comes to getting your CDL license, there's a two-step process. Step number one, you first have to pass a few different written tests to get yourself what's called the CDL permit. Step number two, you're going to have to pass a 2.5-hour long road test. That's like a practical test where it's split into 3 different sections. You're going to have what's called the inspection section. You have to inspect both the inside and outside of the vehicle. The parking section, where you're going to have to park the vehicle up to 6 different ways. And then the driving on the road section, where they're going to test your skills on shifting, and then just general road safety skills, right? That being said, when it comes to the permit training or the permit test, the written test, that can only be done at a DMV. So it does not matter what state that you're living in, that test has to be done at a DMV. Any school that says that, oh yeah, you can come to our school to take the test here at our facility when it comes to the permit test, they're completely lying to you because it's against the rules federal-wise, right? Now, when it comes to the road test, that's where we come in. So I'm sure you've heard something called third-party testers. So when it comes to taking the road test, you can take it in 2 different locations. Location number 1 is going to be at your DMV or whatever your state calls DMV itself, or you can take it at what's called a third-party tester. Now, third-party tester is not going to be for everywhere in the country. As an example, we have a location in New Jersey, and New Jersey does not allow third-party testing, which means anybody who actually is not certified to be a third-party tester outside of the state of New Jersey has to get tested in a DMV in New Jersey. But our neighboring state in Pennsylvania actually allows third-party testing. And that is actually where we have our third-party testing facility, where we are actually certified by the state of Pennsylvania to give the CDL road test just as if a DMV would give it to you. Now, the cool things about that is, just think about it logically, we're now a school, so we know exactly how to train you, but we're also the testers as well. So we're the examiners on making sure that you either pass or fail just by examining to see your skill set. So if we know exactly how the test is going to be, since our examiners who work for our company are going to be using our trucks to make sure that you are tested correctly, then when it comes to the actual training side of it, don't you think we're going to show you exactly how to get trained so we can pass you as efficiently and as smooth as possible. Now, the pros of actually dealing with a third-party tester is it's a lot less kind of red tape. You're not dealing with a government employee, you're dealing with an actual private worker employee. And there's a huge difference there, right? So a government employee who usually works for the state usually is motivated a whole lot differently, right? So customer service is usually not on the top of their list simply because they know they have job security. So they can have a terrible day the day before, decide to fail everybody, and there's no repercussions for that individual at all, right? However, when it comes to the private sector, like our company, our examiners are employed by our company. They get paychecks from our company. They do not work for the state at all, which means that they actually have to do their job, show up on time, make sure that they're doing their job correctly in order to keep their job. Because if not, they're going to get kicked out. So that being said, that prevents them from actually having a bad day and just deciding to fail everyone for nonsense, because we investigate them on a regular basis to make sure that they're giving a full and fair test. Also, most of our examiners were instructors at some point in time in their past, which means they know exactly what our students are going through. Most examiners at a DMV either don't even have a CDL license or never have been instructors, and they have forgotten what it's like to actually be a student all over again, right? So that being said, that alone kind of helps us create a much safer, much calmer environment for all of our students. Now, the cool thing about having a third-party testing site, it gives us the ability to enroll people from anywhere in the country. So we're located in New Jersey and Pennsylvania, like I said, but we've already helped out students from, I think, 20 different states in this country. We've had people from Hawaii, Texas, Alaska, Wyoming, California, and so many more. And the ability to actually be able to service all of those people has been an amazing feeling for us here at Driving Academy. So if you just want to know simply what is a third-party testing site, that's the ability for a third-party company to actually give you a CDL road test. Now, the way it's going to work is you're going to go to a third-party testing site like ourselves. The cool thing is that we don't have to worry about backlog, since we're able to schedule a lot more. A lot of local DMVs are starting to build up a backlog of a few months before you can actually go for a CDL road test with us. We control the entire start to finish process, so we know exactly when you're going to be able to get tested. It makes it a lot more efficient for our students to start and get finished in a very timely manner. But that being said, One of the benefits of actually doing that is you're going to get tested by our examiners. It's going to be a nice, smooth, and calm test. And when you pass the test, we're not going to be the ones that gives you the license, since we're not a state agency. We're going to upload your information to the national database, and then you're going to go home to your local state to actually pick up your actual CDL license from there. They're going to see that you actually passed the CDL road test at a third-party testing site. It's fully legal. It's all because now all the states have to test the same exact way. So that's why they're able to get tested in multiple different environments, right? So I hope that this helped you out. I hope that this clarified exactly what a third-party testing site is when it comes to getting a CDL license. And if you want to go to a third-party testing site, give our team a call at 908-525-3609. We're enrolling students every single day, and our classes are filling up quick. So the faster you enroll, doesn't matter where you're calling in from, we can actually get you started as soon as possible with our online training program as well. So give our team a call, 908-525-3609, or check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.